So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this fake Apple Watch named as W36 Plus. Today I will unbox it and I will give you my first impressions regarding this product. Before starting the video, I would request you all again to please stay away from these fake products as far as possible. So here we get a white box, that too in square shape. It does not look familiar to the box of real Apple Watch at any angle. On the right we get the model name W26 Plus, the CPU number, the watch size that is 44 mm. Surprisingly, the watch also comes with IP68 ratings. But trust me, it is not at all guaranteed that your watch will stay safe underwater. Also, some of its key specifications are written here, such as sports mode, heart rate and thermometer. Also, the package has a smartwatch charger plus a manual. So let's start. When we open the box, we get the watch right at the front. Let's keep it aside. When we remove this lid, we get the charging cradle, that too a magnetic one. And then we get a manual which is in Chinese, so you can't read it. And that's it. So let's straight away move towards the watch. The watch exactly looks same as the real Apple Watch. There is no difference observed till the time you go deep into this watch. Like in this watch, we get a completely metal body, just like the real Apple Watch. On the right, we also get the crown, due to which we can make the functions of this watch work easily. We also get a noise cancelling microphone here. Plus, we get speakers in the watch itself. This means that you can easily answer the calls from the watch itself. Plus, at the back, you get the sensors such as the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor, the sleep tracking sensor, accelerometer, plus the thermometer. So it includes all the features like the real Apple Watch. So if we talk about the display of this watch, then this watch comes with a 1.55 inch OLED touch display. The display looks really awesome. The colors are vibrant and the blacks are really deep. It is the best display I've ever seen, just like the real Apple Watch. So let us talk about the UI of this watch. By pressing this crown on right hand side, you can wake the watch up. The watch comes with 5 pre-installed watch faces and you can access them by rotating this crown, or you can long press the watch to change the watch faces. You can select the preferable watch face and it will be displayed here. Then by swiping down, you can access the quick toggles such as information, alarm, settings, QR code, battery. You can see this QR code and scan it for downloading the M-Active app, which is the applicable app for this watch. Swipe up, you will able to access the notifications that comes on your phone. While when you swipe right, you will able to access the apps that is in this watch. I will tell you some of the main apps present in this watch. Here it is: the sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring, pedometer, step counter, temperature app, alarms, calendar, music control, camera shutter, notes, calculator, TV control, sit reminder, phone calls and genuine settings. There are many more apps, but I can't count all of them. You can make the call by clicking here. The dial pad arrives and you can easily type the number on which you have to make the call. You can change the UI style by going to the settings and changing the style to the smart style. Let me show you how it works. When you swipe right now, you will able to see the grid view just like the real Apple Watch. And using this crown, you can zoom in and zoom out. Also, when you keep zooming in, you will able to open the app just like it. So this is how it works, just like the real Apple Watch. Watch comes with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, temperature monitoring, sleep tracking, and blood oxygen monitoring. Also, this watch has 20 inbuilt sports modes, so you can access it all here. If we talk in terms of UI and build quality, then this watch is 100% identical to the real Apple Watch. But if we talk about the accuracy of the sensors that are provided in this watch, then it fails in this function because all the sensors provided are fake and gives highly inaccurate readings. So guys, only this much for this video. If you like our videos, then please consider subscribing our channel and hit that like button because it motivates a lot. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.